The iPhone 16 is finally here. What surprises does Apple have this time around? Let's unbox the phone and find out. The iPhone 16 box is as minimal as ever. Instead of the front of the phone though, we now see the back panel showing the new colors in all their glory. There are two tabs on the back that need to be pulled apart and the box is now officially open. The new iPhone feeling is quite unmatched, isn't it? Inside the box, we have the phone itself along with a braided Type-C to Type-C cable. Interestingly, the signature Apple stickers are nowhere to be found. Almost makes me, well, sad. What am I going to put on my friend's Android phone now? Anyway, let's keep the box aside and get to the iPhone itself. The iPhone 16 is just as big as last year with a 6.1-inch screen. The new color-infused back is much more vibrant and this ultramarine color looks absolutely stunning. You have these metallic sides alongside the matte back. The new camera control switch here is also one of the biggest features this year and I can't wait to try it out. And here's how the phone compares with the iPhone 16 Plus. Which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments below. The iPhone 16 comes with iOS 18 right out the box and that brings a lot of new features. You also get a multi-page control center that you can also customize. Your icons can now be seen in both light mode, dark mode or with a tint and the text underneath them can also be hidden. Like and subscribe for more unboxings and all things tech.